Hi friends, today we learned about making mistakes. Remember that making a mistake is okay. It means you're trying. And when we make a mistake, we learn from it and we continue to try our best. Here are some activities that you could do at home with your parents. Remember, if you make a mistake, it's okay. You can make a DIY jellyfish out of paper plates and yarn. Or maybe you could even paint a planter. How about making a do-it-yourself tissue box monster? Or a paper beaded necklace? Maybe even making a mini lid banjo. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. There are tons of things that you can do online. GoodHousekeeping.com has 50 different crafts that you could make at home. You can make space crayons or paper bracelets, a family thumbprint tree, or you could even make felt bookmarks. How cool is that? But my all-time favorite is the fairy jar. All you need here is glitter and glow sticks to make it possible. Well, I hope that you know that failing is okay. Like Michael Jordan said, obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. Have a great day.